Hi people, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today we are talking about 5 amazing tips for baby massage. If your query is, can I massage my baby? Is it safe to massage my baby? Or when can I start massaging my baby? Which oil to use furthermore? Then this is the video for you. Let's start by understanding the benefits of baby massage and what are the reasons to massage a baby. To help the newborn skin cope with the environment, to soothe the baby, to enhance bodily growth, and to create a bond between the mother and the child. So, 5 amazing tips here are: which is the best oil to massage my baby, how to choose the oil for baby massage. Giving oil massage to the baby is important, but what is more important is choosing the right massage oil. Choose a massage oil as per your baby's skin and sensitivity. Some oils are easily absorbed by the baby's skin, while some take time to absorb. Some of the most popular oil for baby massage are coconut oil, mustard oil, and olive oil, etc. So we'll have few recommendations given in the description box. You can have a look at it. The next step: how to massage my baby. How to do baby massage at home. Lay your baby down on a towel or on your lap and gently massage her using long and gentle strokes with your fingers. Massage baby's head and then move downwards to other parts of the body. Massage baby's arms by stroking the shoulders towards the wrists and then massage the tummy in a circular motion, and massage from the ankle up to the thigh and over the hip. There are many videos on YouTube. You can have a look at how to massage your baby in detail. What is the best time to massage my baby? Keep a common time every day. First, try to pick a time which is between feeds of your baby so that neither the baby is too full nor hungry. Babies love routine, so if you do things at the same time every day, they will feel more secure and happy. How to choose the place to massage my baby? An essential thing when massaging your baby is to find a quiet and comfortable place to do it. Position your baby in such a way so that she can see your face clearly. Make sure the place is warm and lighting is not too bright. Massage the baby when she is quiet and well rested and you are relaxed too. Can massage help calming a cranky baby? Massage can soothe your baby and reduce his or her crying. Massaging raises oxytocin hormone in both you and your baby, which helps your baby feel calm and relaxed. There are many myths about baby massage, like oil massages are not important and massaging helps straightening your baby's bones, etc. Don't fall for it. These are myths, and this is really going to help you and your baby in a long run. So all the best for your baby massage, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon as you can see here, and we will try to keep posting as many videos as possible which can be useful to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.